Good morning, you beautiful people. It's actually been ages since I've done a video. I think the last one I did was on Monday, but I've just been completely flat out with work the whole time. So I haven't actually been able to do a video. So today it's Saturday and I'm going to go do about 100 Ks with a bunch ride with my team. Then I'm doing work. I was going to go help someone move after work, but they said not to worry about it, so I don't know. But yeah, so. Oh, and also I just realised someone on the hill over that way, they've left their Christmas lights on. So fun times. Also I got a new helmet. It's a giant rivet. I don't know whether my mate's actually coming today. I don't even know whether it's worth waiting. I'm gonna head off because I wanna be there relatively early. Alright, let's go. Bunch ride, and then I did 3 Castle Hills after that, but I destroyed my water bottle. Like, the whole lid is just split. It's really annoying, but it's getting bloody hot now. It's getting really hot now, so I'm going into work. I'm working till 3 and then I'm gonna head home after that, because I'm already tired and I haven't even got to work yet. So let's go. So I wait up. So I finished at work now. I stayed there a lot longer than I thought I would. And yeah, now I'm heading home and it's bloody hot and windy today. So I'm not looking forward to that. That guy just yelled out "nice bike" to me. That's why I turned around. There is a massive ass AFL field in my suburb and I didn't even realise. I hope you could actually hear that then. Right up. Massive AFL oval. I didn't even know this was here. Like, it's right next to the main road. Like, the main road is just behind that school there. There's actually a cricket field, I think, in the middle as well, so I know why I'm going for the Boxing Day test match. Also, I got some pedals so that I can put together the Avanti once I get home. It's not for me, the Avanti. It's for my dad, saying to go riding, because he wants to go riding. Whip my water bottle. It's dead. Well, the lid is anyway. This is the one that I dropped, or came out of the bottle cage when I was going down Castle. The whole outside thing there is actually split. But when I was riding home just then, I saw 3 people that I knew and I waved to all of them. That's when you know that you've been in town too long. I've been here 10 years and I know too many people now. But shout out to Braden, because I know he watches the vlogs and I saw him, so it was good seeing him. So basically that's it for today. I am the Cyclist Vlogger, and I'll see you later.